दक्षिणी दिल्ली के डिपसार यूनिवर्सिटी में हुआ इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, जिसका आयोजन 2 दिनों तक चलेगा। पहले दिन उद्घाटन के साथ ही कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत हुई।
वितरतु गजवक्त्रः सततं मङ्गलं वः। वितरतु गजवक्त्रः सततं मङ्गलं वः।
Let us welcome him with a big round of applause.
Delegates and participants, first and foremost, I extend my warmest regards to the distinguished dignitaries gracing the inaugural function today. It's my great honor and privilege to welcome you all to the International Conference on Innovation in Advanced Drug Research 2024, organized by Delhi Pharmaceutical Science and Research University in collaboration with the DIPSRU Innovation and Incubation Foundation. The key theme for this event, translational research and commercialization, healthcare entrepreneurship and innovation, pharmaceutical technology and digital health, precision medicine and personalized healthcare, and sustainable healthcare solutions are at the forefront of contemporary healthcare discourse.
प्रोफेसर हरिंदर पोटली, पहले यहीं की एल्यूमिनाई भी हूँ, उसके बाद इंडस्ट्री में थी और अब यहाँ पे अलग अलग कैपेसिटी में काम कर रही हूँ। तो जब 2017 में हमने ये इनोवेशन स्टार्ट किया था दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, उसके बाद हमारे पास बायरेक के फंड्स आए और ये काफ़ी बढ़ गया। तो अभी हमने देखा कि स्टूडेंट्स में भी बहुत इंटरेस्ट है और एक ज़रूरत है कि एकेडमिया और इंडस्ट्री के बीच में जो गैप है उसको किस तरह से हम ख़त्म कर सकते हैं। और बेसिकली अब हम जैसे हिंदुस्तान में हमने देखा कि कोविड के टाइम में, उसके बाद में तो हमारी जो मेडिसिन्स हैं और इवन वैक्सीन्स हैं वो सारे विश्व में जा रहे हैं और एक क्वालिटी, स्टेबिलिटी, ये सब के जो भी हैं, ये सब हम जो भी इश्यूज़ हैं उसको भी ओवरकम कर रहे हैं। तो हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे जो यूनिवर्सिटी से ग्रेजुएट्स हैं, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट्स हैं और जो बहुत सारी रिसर्च करते हैं वो सिर्फ किताबों में नहीं रह जाए। ये रिसर्च को वो ये समझें कि जो अनमेट मेडिकल नीड है, जो ज़रूरत है वर्ल्ड में ज़रूरत है और जिन दवाइयों की ज़रूरत है, जिन बीमारियों के लिए हमें ज़रूरत है, उसके लिए वो समझें और वो जल्दी से जल्दी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस पे हम इसको ले आ पाएँ। तो यहाँ पे आज करीब 21 स्पीकर्स हैं जो इंटरनेशनली आए हुए हैं और बहुत सारे नेशनल स्पीकर्स भी हैं, पैनल डिस्कशंस भी हैं और 170 बच्चे अपने पोस्टर्स इस एरिया में प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। सो वो ये दिखाता है कि वो कितना हेल्थ केयर में सबको इनोवेशन में इंटरेस्ट है। और जो यहीं के स्टार्टअप्स हैं, जो हमने एक स्टार्ट किया था 2017 में और आज जिस स्टेज पे वो पहुंच गए हैं, उन्होंने 18 करोड़ ऑफ फंड्स रेज करे हैं और प्रोडक्ट्स लेके भी आए हैं और वो आज एग्जिबिट भी कर रहे हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को। तो हम चाहते हैं कि सारे इंस्पायर हों और बच्चे भी, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो हैं अपने स्टार्टअप्स खोलें, जिससे कि एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी का इशू भी वो टैकल कर सकते हैं और साथ साथ जो है अपने अनमेट मेडिकल नीड को एक विकसित भारत की तरफ हम जा सकते हैं।
ठीक है।
All the people they have contributed to make this event successful. I hope that we will be successful. And being a conference on drug research, this is an event on drug research, and I hope the event will be very successful with the able guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, and things will be very clearer hereafter, and the university will come to its original fast-moving condition in near future.
I now take the privilege to introduce our Honorable Vice Chancellor of DPSRU and the Chairman of DPSRU Innovation and Incubation Foundation DIP. Professor Ravichandran V is an accomplished academician, researcher and administrator with over 28 years of experience. He has held esteemed positions including Founder Director of NIPER Kolkata and Director in charge of NIPER Hyderabad. Professor Ravi V. Chandran is recognized for his extensive contributions to pharmaceutical sciences and focusing on drug discovery using natural products and preclinical studies. Delhi Pharmaceutical
Namaskar and good morning to all of you. With the wishes of Honorable Chancellor LG of Delhi Government, Chief Minister of the Delhi Government, Governing Council, Academic Council, and Board of Governance, all the faculty members with the organizing committee. I am really very delighted, proud to be part of this pride movement of Delhi Pharmaceutical Sciences Research University Innovation Program for strengthening the scholars with wisdom of activity through the DIP. Basically, we have planned this program with the DIP, with all the national, international, the speakers to inspire our scholars. Motivating our scholars is our responsibility. We have taken that responsibility to extend that, strengthen that, their mind in very stable manner. The invited the guest, Dr. Manish Diwan, Mission Director, Make in India Biotech Sector, Department of Biotechnology, is one of our alumni. We are proud to have Manish Diwan with us during this day as a guest. and we have our the strength of activity with our the registrar, the director, the DIP, and all our faculty members be part of this activity, organizing this team without any gap. The environment is set psychologically. They are very much inspired to work on that last few days to make this that event wonderful manner. My greeting goes to that organizing committee, the registrar and the director, other team of the people over here. If you see any activity last 3 decades, what was that the progress of our country? Next 3 decades, what is the strategy and the plan? Last 3 decades before, we were importing all the pharmaceutical to our country, facing several challenges. But last 3 decades later on, that the 70s and 80s, mainly I can say 80s to till now, India become that the leader. India is that the hub of the pharmaceutical. We are trying to work on that the best level to enrich that activity of our country as well. 200 countries, our people are exporting that pharmaceutical. This is the current situation, and we are in the proudable moment.
We congratulate the entire editorial team under the guidance of the amazing faculty, including Dr. Meenakshi K. Chauhan, Dr. Sushma, Dr. Gaurav Jain, Dr. Divesh Tiwari, and their tireless efforts. We call you on the stage. A huge round of applause, please.
Delhi Pharmaceutical Sciences Research University conducts International Conference on Innovation in Drug Research. Basically, need of the day for addressing, improving the employability and entrepreneurship by startup and incubation culture in our university. Having partnership with that collaborating industry and the institute, as well as the global universities like urban universities are partnering to improve, energize the capability of the faculty to improve that wisdom and employability skill for our stakeholder, the students. That is the main objective. By the way, their best competitive wisdom and the skill will be ensured. This is the basic plan. Further, there are several such organizations like AIMS, Delhi, and JNU, all part of that our activity for empowering the scholars to improve their employment. This is the objective.
Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Ravi Chandran ji, Dr. Sahu, Dr. Copley, my respected teachers, Dr. Khar, faculty members, students, young entrepreneurs, the incubation center, guests from faculty from overseas. I think it's very humbling to be here, deeply honored and privileged to share the stage with you. And I've seen this college, this university going from about 250, 300 students to now 2,000 students. The stats that were shown in the full number of students qualifying for GPAD, number of faculty, number of programs, I think it's growing year on year. Very heartening to see this, and it's very pleasant. What I'll try is in next 10-15 minutes, I'll try and present an overview of the ecosystem from Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Biotechnology and Virex's perspective, and some of my personal suggestions and recommendations where we are moving in this direction of building India's innovation ecosystem. We have the third largest startup ecosystem of the world. We are the top digital economy of the world. Everybody maybe in this room is having a mobile, has done online transactions. So our digital transaction is top of the world. We also boast of the largest population in the world. Along with that, the number of youth in the country. India is the youngest nation that way across the world. So all these parameters when we see, I think the Viksit Bharat, the New Bharat vision, we are becoming top 5 nations in the renewable energy. We are 6th in the space exploration with around 100 satellites already placed in the skies. We are the top 12 biotechnology destination of the world. From 5th largest economy, we want to become the 3rd largest economy in the world. So you notice that to make these things happen, we need to have something done and biopharma products to the entire world, and we have kind of democratized that and made those medicines, those solutions accessible to a very large population of the world. So much so, every third tablet or capsule or medicine on the US pharmacy shelves is made in India. इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस कराने के 2-3 ऑब्जेक्टिव हुए। एक तो आप समझते हैं कि इंटरनेशनली जो साइंस एडवांस हो रहा है, क्या वो हम उनके साथ रिलेट कर सकते हैं, और जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो डेलीगेट्स आते हैं बाहर से, उनसे एक नया अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट होता है कोलैबोरेशन का, पार्टनरशिप का। और इस तरह के जब मल्टीपल माइंड्स एक साथ मिलते हैं, मल्टीपल लैब्स, मल्टीपल रिसोर्सेज, आई थिंक एक फिटनेस आता है, एक मेरिट बढ़ती है। सो वो साइंटिफिक एडवांसमेंट के लिए बहुत बहुत अच्छी बात है।
डिपसार सर हर साल कराता है, किस तरह का माहौल देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे और क्या कहेंगे?
आई थिंक हर साल दर साल आई थिंक ये वाला एफर्ट जो है डिप्सरू का बढ़ता जा रहा है। जैसा कि मैंने कहा, मैं यहाँ का एक अलुमनस भी हूँ, तो मैंने इस इंस्टीट्यूट को 250 स्टूडेंट से होते होते अब 2000 स्टूडेंट हो गया है। तो फैकल्टी हैज़ इंक्रीज, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हैज़ इंक्रीज। सो ये सालाना जो एफर्ट है, आई थिंक एक परपत्वा पर एक और इम्प्रूवमेंट और मेजर एडवांसमेंट की तरफ बढ़ता जा रहा है। सो विच इज़ वेरी हार्ड। This institution provides excellence in skilling and training to the young generation. We need to enhance recognizing this, the recently approved biochemistry policy under the able leadership of our
We would like to ask Dr. Nashida to join the celebration.
In this conference where innovation, research and collaboration, comes together, and it's a platform where research and innovation is celebrated. At ACOMS, we always, try to encourage innovation, new ideas, and so I'm glad to be a part of this conference platform. Thank you, sir, ma'am, and I would like to say that all of you should use this platform to kind of these exchanges will eventually lead to kind of future innovations, and looking forward. Thank you so much.
Very good morning. I am Dr. Pankaj Agarwal. I am Project Director in Pharmaceutical Sciences in Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. I heartily congratulate to Delhi Pharmaceutical Research University for their incubation center who are having the more than 35 startups and near about 20 crores of the fundraising. And main thing is that they have employed 100 jobs. They have created the 100 jobs, and they are having the 14 commercialized products, and they are generated 8 IP generations. And my best wishes and wishing for the high and future prospects in the research and innovation and new emerging areas. Thank you.
University and DPSRU Innovation and Incubation Foundation and the organizing committee of this international conference on innovations in advanced drug research, I feel honored and privileged to offer a very sincere vote of thanks. I would like to thank all the honorable delegates and the faculty from Auburn University who blessed us with their presence. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling a month and a half ago. I convey deep regards and hearty thanks to the convener of this international conference, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor V. Chandiran, for being a source of energy within us to make this event happen. My sincere thanks to Director DIPSRO, Innovation and Incubation Foundation, Professor Harvinder Khopri, for her constant help, motivation, and being there with us where we got stuck. I am thankful to the officiating registrar, Professor P.K. Sahu, for all the necessary support for organizing this event in our university. My gratitude to Dr. Manish Dewan, Head Biofoundry, NCR Biotech Cluster and Ivicol Biotech Mission Director, for his gracious presence and taking out time on such a short notice. I am indebted to Ms. Arushi Chen, Akams Drugs Pharmaceuticals Limited, Dr. Pooja Sharma, CEO Apar Health, Dr. Subramanian Nethasan, Professor Naipal Hajipur, Dr. Rajiv Dugal, Director, Skinzation Pharmacos Private Limited, for sharing their valuable insights, Dr. Anusuya Roy, Founder, NanoSafe Solutions. Heartfelt thanks to Dr. Ashish Arora, Senior Manager Formulations, Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Limited, Dr. Rajiv Gulati, Advisor, Revalu, Professor Rajkumar M, Department of Pharmaceuticals, Naipal Hajipur, for helping us to gain knowledge from their industrial expertise, Professor Rup K. Khar, Director B.S. Anandpuria, Educational Institutions, Faridabad, for taking out time for us. Words are not enough to express the gratitude to Dr. R.K. Rao, Vice Chair, Department of Physiology, the University of Tennessee Health Science Center, Memphis, US, for sparing valuable time. Thanks to Dr. Anupma Devan, Dean at School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, APJ Satya University. My sincere thanks to the organizing committee members for making all the necessary arrangements for this conference in a very short span. A very special thanks to our energetic team of student volunteers who worked tirelessly for this event. A big thanks to our participants for overwhelming response. Last but not the least, my heartfelt thanks goes to Ms. Ruchi Nikra for her unwavering support to make and ensuring all the things happen in a smooth way. I wish this conference will help for the betterment and upliftment of all the participants. I am very much thankful to all my faculty colleagues and non-teaching staff members who always stand by us at all the time. I feel proud and thank you for making this event a very successful event. Thank you.
हमारे यहाँ माहौल बहुत ही अच्छा है. हमारे यहाँ इंडस्ट्री कोलैबोरेटर्स, इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी से लोग आए हैं, ऑबन यूनिवर्सिटी से हमारी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स आए हैं, नेशनल स्पीकर्स हैं, बायरेक के लोग हैं, इसमें इंडस्ट्री के, सन फार्मास्यूटिकल्स के, एकम्स के, बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्री के लोग आए हैं. एंड ये हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ वो अपने आइडियाज़ शेयर कर सकते हैं इंडस्ट्री के साथ और इंडस्ट्री उस आइडिया को कमर्शलाइज कर सकती है. ये बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है. बच्चे ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ढूंढते हैं बाहर जाके, और हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी ने तो यहीं पर ही इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस में इतने सारे स्पीकर्स को बुलाया, इंडस्ट्रीज़ को बुलाया. बच्चों के लिए तो बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं यहाँ पर.
क्या कहना चाहेंगी और क्या शुभकामनाएं देना चाहेंगी सभी को मैम?
मैं सभी को शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगी, हमारे बच्चों को, हमारे यंग माइंड्स को, कि इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का बेनिफिट उठाएं और बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्री के साथ
इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ कोलैबोरेट करें, अगर उनको मौका मिलता है तो वहाँ पढ़ने के लिए जाएं और वापस हमारे इंडिया में आएँ और उस आइडिया को यहाँ पर इम्प्लीमेंट करें।
उम्मीद करते हैं हर साल डिप्सार इसी तरह करता रहेगा आगे भी।
बिल्कुल उम्मीद करते हैं ऐसा ही माहौल हमेशा बना रहेगा, ऐसी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस होती रहेंगी जहाँ बच्चों को बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलेंगी।
Of the conference by a esteemed panel of judges. The evaluation criteria will include the originality of the research, clarity of the presentation, translational potential, visual appeal, and organization of the poster. And for now, I request all the participants to scan the QR on the screen in front of you to know your abstract ID and your scheduled venue. You can now move towards your designated menus and start preparing for your presentation. We wish you all the very best.
They can work on their formulation. So it is a product. So we are moving towards product-oriented research in the university. And as has said that we are now incorporating the molecular aspects in the various researches. We are having interaction with the PhD scholars, where we can talk about the epigenetic modifications and various other molecular tests can be established. So all the departments are working.
This is such an honor to be here and to learn about everything that's going on at the institution, and especially to see the innovation and the interface between industry and research, and the translation of research from the startups and entrepreneurship training that's going on, especially in biomanufacturing and this is also something that we're really interested in, and how to bridge the gap between academic research and industry, and make sure that the innovations that we're discovering in the lab are able to be brought forth to people for their use and their bettering the world. So I feel very welcomed and very enthusiastic about all of the work that we're hearing about and the things that are going on here at the institution, and the opportunity to see how we can connect and collaborate in the future to pursue our common goals.
The generic council team has started with the mission to bring affordability and
yes, it's indeed a great pleasure in attending this conference, and also with great excitement. I am a professor and medical doctor and research scientist from Auburn University at Auburn, Alabama, United States. And myself and my colleagues, several of my colleagues from the College of Pharmacy and the College of Engineering at Auburn University have been able to join with the organizers of this conference to get together and present some work that we feel that will lead to increased collaborations and better understandings for all of us as we strive to innovate drug discovery and development processes.
How you feel here?
I feel fantastic. The DIPSARU is a wonderful place to hold a conference like this. They have tremendously good facilities, faculty, staff, and students, and hospitality is outstanding. So this is going to be a great conference today and tomorrow.
कोई